So yeah, we actually got snow. We actually got snow. And of course this thing's running and it's frozen over, so I'm just going to defrost it right now. So I'm just going to get this quick video, so I'm out here actually getting photos of the snow. You see that, you see all the ice up on this. Let's see here, you can see it's a Rheem. And the model number is 13PJL42A01. Serial number is 7691N2. And here it goes into the frost mode. Start defrosting. And now I have frost on the shoes. Let's focus. There we go. Yeah, start frosting. I got a little too much snow on my shoes, so hang on. I'm gonna go over here to the track and just kind of get them off. The other one's running too. But I'm honestly gonna focus on this one since it's defrosting. Yeah, I'm gonna read the serial number again. The serial number is 7691N2601096115. It's made in 2008. I'm going to put on my gloves real quickly. So my hands are getting cold. So I'm going to set this on the unit without the frost. So I can get my gloves and actually be able to feel my hands. Yeah, there we go. And it's defrosting right now. It's been a while since I've caught a unit defrost. Once it starts like in heat mode, I'm going to cancel the video. I need to quickly stomp my shoes again. There we go. Much better. So yeah, seeing it running, I can't feel my fingers anymore. With the frostbite setting in. You see water pooling down there. Yeah, a Rheem Heat Pump defrosting in snow. Here's that we have got snow here in the south. They ended up canceling school today because of it. Let's just wait till it starts back up. Yeah, let's see what the motor ratings are. This is an Emerson motor, assembled in Mexico. And let's see here, part number 51102008-07. Let's see here. 1/5 horsepower. If you don't need much for like 2 fan blades. I don't think this is... Oh, I think it's going to be starting up soon. Most of this is finished. This is supposed to be defrosted. I'm going to start up here in a little bit. See all kinds of water around there. Ooh. Sorry about that, kind of hard to hold the camera with gloves. Yeah, hurry up and... Oh, whoa, it's giving off a steam show. Look at that, it's giving off a steam show. I can warm my hands. There goes the steam show. Ooh, that fogged up my camera lens. And yeah, the 2008 Rheem Heat Pump at Grissom High School running in heat mode. It just finished defrosting. Over and out.